Hey YouTube, Charfish here at FishGameCity, back with another kind of different video. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Minecraft. And this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Nodus Minecraft mod. Now the Nodus Minecraft mod is a really cool mod for Minecraft where like you can fly around, you can do all kinds of cool stuff, and like there's like X-ray, all kinds of cool stuff. So, we'll kind of get started. Now, all of the links and I'll have the step-by-step directions in the description. So if you miss a link or something like that, just go into description and it's all right there, right on YouTube. If you're on a mobile device, then you're gonna have to exit out the video and do other things. But yeah, if you're just on a normal web browser, you can just click below and expand the description, and yeah. Okay, so the first step is to go onto this Nodus website, right here. Here's the link right here. You can just Google Nodus Minecraft, and that should get you the link as well. Okay, so then you're either going to come to the home page or the client. If you clicked on my link, you're going to come to client. Just click the client and click to download. Now, these instructions are for, looks like they're for the PC because, it says like press the start key on your keyboard, where on a Mac you do not actually have a start key. And yeah, I can assure you right now that this does work on the Mac. And yeah, so by the way, also if Nodus does go down, I am really like not responsible. This is just a how-to video on how to install Nodus. I am not responsible for Nodus, and I do not make this software, but it is a cool mod, and I just wanted to show you how to use it and install it. Okay, so first step is to go right here. It says download and rename the client. There's this kind of hidden link right here, and you're just going to click on that. Click here to download the client. It will open up this page where there's usually an ad right here, but yeah, I don't know why it's not loading. But you can just click skip ad once it's done, and I will just say keep if you're on Chrome, or just start downloading, and it should start downloading right here. Okay, so it's almost done, and there we go. Okay, so we're going to say show in Finder, or just find where these things are. And so the next step is to find where your Minecraft folder is. So you see I have this Nodus update.jar, which we just downloaded. And I am going to open a new Finder window by hitting Command N if you're new to the Mac. And I am going to go into my home folder, which usually I think is by default, just opens automatically. And it should have like desktop, documents, downloads. If you're not there, okay, so here's what you're going to need to do. Sorry, you're not going to need to do that. Here's what you need to do. You need to hit Command-Shift-G all at the same time. And you're going to need to say go to folder. You're going to need to hit Shift and the key to right to the left of the 1. So it should make that little symbol right there. You're going to need to hit the backwards slash, and then you're going to need to type in library. Okay, in Lion and up, the library folder is hidden. So here, wait, let me just copy this and hit cancel. In Lion and above, the library folder is hidden, so you're not just gonna be able to double click. But if you're in like Snow Leopard or below, I think you're gonna be able to just go, and you should be good. So we're gonna just click that, and we're gonna click go. Okay, this is kind of where your computer magic happens. So you're going to scroll through. There's a ton of folders here, and what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to double click on application support. You're going to need to go into find this folder called Minecraft. Kind of obvious, but yeah. So you're supposed to be in application support and then Minecraft. So we're going to open up that folder. Here's where your Minecraft stuff all is. You have your texture packs, stats, all kinds of cool stuff. Your saves. I'll do some other videos on maybe some stuff in this folder, like how to install texture packs, and cool stuff like that. So next step is to go into the bin folder, and you have all of these files right here. You have like version, natives, Minecraft, MD5S, all kinds of different jar files and stuff like that. Okay, so the first step that I'd really recommend is right now close Minecraft. Okay, it's not really a required step, though. I think for me, I always close Minecraft before I'm editing Minecraft files. That's just how I am, and your computer might get a little bit confused. And so that's why I really recommend doing Minecraft. I don't think it'll hurt your computer if you don't close it. It's just a really good recommendation that I really recommend that you do, so that nothing gets messed up. Okay, so you're going to click on this minecraft.jar file, and we're going to rename that. So we're going to hit Command I. We're just going to call this minecraft.old.jar. You can rename it to anything you like except for minecraft.jar. So you just need to rename it. And that pretty much what it's going to do is that's kind of our duplicate. In case something doesn't work or you want to go back to the not Nodus version, you're going to rename that back to Minecraft. And I'll give an example here shortly. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to take this Nodus update.jar and drag it into this bin folder. Okay, we're going to rename that Command I again to minecraft.jar. Hit enter and it should be right there. Okay, so now what we have is the minecraft.jar is the Nodus. And whatever version that you want, like let's say you want to have Nodus, you need to have the Nodus file be minecraft.jar. It needs to be called minecraft.jar. My other one, the old one, if I don't want to be using Nodus, is minecraft.old.jar, which we renamed a little bit ago. So now we have those. You can just if you want to go back to the normal version, you can just name this one to. You can hit Command I, Nodus, and then you can rename this and take out the old. And there you go. You're back at the normal one. So I'm going to say Minecraft old. And I'm going to remove the Nodus. Okay? So just make sure you know which one you have, and because that's a very important thing. Make sure you're organized. Okay, so the next step is we're going to close out this bin file folder, and we are going to open Minecraft. Okay, we're just going to log in here. Let's expand this a little bit. Okay, so as you can see already, it is working. It says donate to Nodus, so that means that it did add that button, which should not have been there before. Let's just create a new world. We'll put it on creative, and we'll just say new world. And then it's just building the train, generating levels and cool stuff like that. Okay, so we have this world. And, well, this is an interesting world. But as you can see, you can just use the arrow keys. Now, there is this Nodus chat type of thing. And how you can disable that is use your arrow keys up here. You can see that Nodus thing. Go into Client and IRC toggle. And just hit enter to select that. And down here, it'll say disconnecting from IRC. So that no other Nodus people can chat. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but you guys can go and figure it out. But as you can see, Nodus works perfectly. I think there might be actual controls. Like, let's see here. I can go. Oh man, it might be easier. I know that's X-ray. So yeah, so you have X-ray right there. All of your stuff is available right here. I do recommend going to the Nodus, like they do have some videos on their channel on how to use Nodus and how exactly to do some cool stuff with Nodus. But yeah, so that's pretty much what Nodus is all about. And yeah, hopefully a PC version tutorial should be coming out soon for all of you PC users. And hopefully that should be coming out soon. But I know that PC might be a little bit easier because they give specific instructions on how to do it. So I just wanted to make a Mac tutorial first so that you guys, for all you Mac users, you know exactly how to do it. Thanks so much for watching, and Facebook, Twitter, Google+, we're on all three. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and hopefully more tutorials like this soon to come. Thanks for watching.